Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss the arithmetic operators in JavaScript. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations on number. I'm sure you know some basic arithmetic operators like addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. Of course, I'm not going to cover them. Instead, we are going to see some of the other arithmetic operators that we use in JavaScript. So the first arithmetic operator that we are going to see is modulus operator. What this modulus operator will do is it will divide two numbers and it will return a remainder value. Usually with divide we will get quotient value, right? But here this modulus operator will return us a remainder value. Let us see with an example. Here I have two variables b and a. I try to divide b by a. So if I do this, obviously I am going to get 2 because 100 2s are 200, right? This is quotient, but what if I need a remainder? So in those cases we can use this modulus operator. It is going to give us the remainder. The remainder is going to be 0 in this case, right? So this is the modulus operator. The next operator that we are going to see is increment and decrement operator. So as the name suggests, increment operator is used to increment a value, and similarly decrement is for decreasing the value. Here we have two types in this, both increment and decrement. One is pre-increment and the other is post-increment. Similarly, pre-decrement and post-decrement. So what is the difference is like in pre-increment, first we have an operator, after that we will have a variable name. Whereas in post-increment, first we will have a variable, then we have the operator. This operator may be plus plus or minus minus. Basically what it is, the meaning is we are going to add 1 to this a value. So whatever value this a has, we are going to add 1 to it. Let's say in this case it is going to be 101 because a is already having 100. So this is going to be 101. Similarly, this is also same, a plus 1. Then you may ask, like, then what is the difference between this post increment and pre-increment? The difference is like in pre-increment or pre-decrement, first it will increment or decrement the value and it will return the output, okay? Whereas in post increment, before doing increment or decrement, it will return the value first. After that only it will do that increment or decrement process, okay? I'm sure it will be confusing to listen. I will show with an example. So let me log a plus plus. Here I am doing a post increment, okay? If I try to log this, see, I am getting 100 only. In this case I should have got 101, right? Because as I said, this plus plus refers to adding one value to that variable. The reason is in post increment, as I said, first it will return the value. Here the value is 100. After that only it will do the increment or decrement. So if I do a console log below this, see, now we are getting 101 in the second place, like in this log, because here it has returned the value of a, that is 100. After this it is performing increment. So when it comes to next line, now the value is 101. So that's why we are getting 101. The same applies for decrement as well. See, in the second line we are getting 99. So let's see the pre-increment and pre-decrement now. So what if I have this minus in front? This is pre-increment. So in pre-increment, as I said, first the increment or decrement process will take place. After that the value is returned. So if I do this now, see, we are getting that 99 in the first time itself because straight away it is doing this decrement process and it is returning it. That's why. The same applies for addition as well. Got it? So these are some of the unknown arithmetic operators in JavaScript. In our next video, we are going to cover the comparison operators. Okay. Thank you for watching.